Well, I really recently learned a really interesting part that I'm going to tell you. Really interesting secret, a really good things. How can people easily understand? How people can really listen to you that you are doing? I mean, I really found it somewhere. I'm going to tell you where did I find and how do you get it. This is simple word is Hail. Hail. So you are going to learn first of all stand for. You have to get abbreviation. What would be the abbreviation of HAIL? We are going to go abbreviations and I will tell you step by step what exactly it is. Then see, first of all you have to learn the meaning. Okay, what is the meaning of hell? It's really simple to express greeting. All right, to express greeting. This is the meaning of hell. Express greeting or welcome or accumulations. All right, now we are going to learn H for. What is exactly H and what is exactly A and what is exactly I, and finally in the end what is exactly L. So you can see HALI. Do you like to guess what would be like that? You wouldn't guess, no worries. H for honesty. What would be A? A is authenticity. Authenticity. I'm going to tell you one by one meaning and you are going to learn really interesting part how really exactly it works. So I is integrity, right? And L for love. Last one is love. Okay, it's really simple. So honesty. What is honesty? Honesty is like to feel like honest, the quality of being honest. This is what easy one. And authenticity is like means the quality of being authentic. When person is being authentic, it means authentic. So H clear and A clear. What would be the I? Integrity. It means the quality of being honest but having strong moral principles. This is what you have to understand this word. And the end love. I think you know the feeling of deep affection. This is a love. So exactly why? What is this? I mean, why I just told you these like four things, and what did you learn in these four things? Like, so in these four things, I want to tell you there was a simple TED talk, right? It was TED talk. So there was one Kulian advised to people to remember the word hell, HAIL. They advises many people to remember the word hell because in this hell word you have really four beautiful words that will really make you a really better person, so people can easily understand you. Exactly, people will understand you how you honest or how you authentic. I mean, when we are talking about honesty, so how people can listen to you, as I told you in the beginning, must first of all you have to be honest, secondly you have to be authentic, and then integrity. I think you know, as I told you, to having a moral strong principle, to having this third things, last you should have a really good feeling of deep feeling of attraction with someone, affection with someone. This is what I think the last one. So if you have these four things, 100% people can easily listen you that what you want to say. Of course, this is what I have heard from TED talk Kolian said, remember this word hell, this one hell. This will really make you a really great person. People can easily understand. This is a secret of communication, secret of people can easily, this is a secret kind of people can easily understand you, can really, but I'm not telling you to do this for just show off that you are good. To have these things, it is a really important thing. To have these things in yourself, that's very important thing, according to me. I hope you understand this word, and this was really short, and I would like to ask you to please hit the like button and remember to subscribe our channel to get more interesting views. Thanks for watching. Love you all, guys. Love you all, guys.